Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I am sharing a Temu haul with you. It has some amazing goodies. So let's go ahead and get into this package. But before that, I do have a Temu code that you can use if you are new to Temu and or you just reinstated your Temu app. You go ahead and save on a $100 bundle. And with that, yep, let's get into this nice package. Let's see what I got this time. Alright, I got some nice goodies here. So I'll move everything out the way. I got a little bit of everything to show you. It's mainly stuff for Halloween that I bought. So let's go ahead and check out some papers. The first one I have here is this one. This one actually kind of reminds me of Nightmare Before Christmas. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Look at that. Yeah, this paper here. I do like the little patchwork. And yeah, this one. I bought this pack because of this part right here. And that one, I love that. It's like the cute goth. And then I got this one right here. Look at that. The paper is kind of thin. Well, it is thin. But I do like the papers. This one got frames. Oh, this is the other reason I bought it. I do like the lace. That one. Oh, I like that. Oh, love, love, love. This one has like little eyeballs. And this is this one. And then I believe it starts over. So yeah, you get 2 sets. Let's see. 2 sets or 3? Make it. Oh, so you get 3 sets. So I actually like this paper. It's actually pretty nice. I like that one. The next one I have here. It's another cute one that I saw. And this one does come in a little box, like a little package. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, this is almost like a glossy paper. Now this one's a little thicker than that one, but look how cute that is. Got candy. Yeah, more candy. And then eyeballs. This one's a pumpkin. Yeah, some ghosties. You even got a little witch. Oops. A little witch. The ghosties. A pumpkin. And you got some treats. I love the frog. Check out the frog there. Love, love, love. Oh, I like this one. I like the plain one. That's real nice. Oh, I like the bat. And I have this one here. I don't care for that one, but it's actually not too bad. And then got the purple with the plus signs on there. Oh wow, look at that. Nothing but ghosties. And then you got some more. Oh, look at the Frankenstein. The little black cat. The little frog. Oh, that's actually real nice. I like the zigzags. And then I like this one. This is actually pretty nice. I like this one. That is nice. Love, love, love. That one. That one. Another thing I hauled was some purple trim. I did do a video on the other colors that I have, which I think was an orange and no, pink and black, I believe. This one is the purple. This is actually, let me show you how much. Look at that. So just regular pom-pom trim. That's real nice. And you get a good amount on there. I forgot how many yards, but I'll put that in the video. Another thing I got is some orange bows with polka dots. I got this for Halloween. Look at those. Look how cute those are. How cute are those to add to your embellishments? It'll be nice on a ghosty. I got that one. And then I also got a black and white one. Look at, oh, this is a bit smaller, but look at this cutie patootie. I got this because it reminded me of Beetlejuice vibes and Nightmare Before Christmas. I got that one. And you get a good amount in here. I think you get, I want to say 50. So I got that. And then I also hauled some pom-pom pendants. And these are the fluffy one. It does have a little gold topper, so you can go ahead and dangle it somewhere. I got that one. I love those. Now this one is an acrylic pendant, and I've been hauling on my Halloween hauls that I've been doing lately. I've been getting a lot of these acrylics. They are real nice. I do love the thickness of them. And this one is Frankenstein and the Bride. Look how nice is that. And it already has a hole, so you could use it as a charm, or you can use a charm to dangle it somewhere. So I got those ones. How nice are those? And you do get 10. You get 10 of them. And so far they've been coming in this little pack, this little container, which I love. So got those there. And then I also got some more charms. I saw these and I thought they were the cutest thing ever. I usually don't care for the gold, but I didn't mind with this. Look at that. A heart key. And this one's in black. This would be nice for Alice in Wonderland type swap, or even Halloween, or even a fashion, or even a glam. But look at that. So I got those. This one I can't see. Let's see what I got. these ones are. These ones are vampire teeth charms. Look at that. Look how nice those are. You get a good amount. And these were only in silver. So I got those. So I got those ones. Then I also hauled these pink pumpkins, and I do have a video where I have the other colors. Look at those. And you get 10 of these. Look how cute those are. And it does have resin, so it's translucent in the middle, so you do see through a little bit. Look at that. And they have pink, orange, blue, I believe purple. And they also have a witch's hat, is another one. And then I also bought bats. I think the bats I got on AliExpress. Alright, I saw this washi tape, and it's in pink bats. Well, it's pink with black bats on it, I say. And this one was calling my name. Look at that. And you get a good amount. Look at that. That's real nice. I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, another thing I hauled. I did see this, and this is like a corner punch. Like a rounder, I believe. Yeah. Now I have one, but I don't know where I put it. Let's go ahead and try this one out. I do have a little scrap of cardstock that I always keep. All you do is put it in there. Let's see, it's not going. For some reason it seems like it's not catching. Okay, there it goes. Let's see. Well, if this is, it works if it's like a regular square. Let's say like this one was a little off. It's a little wonky, but it does a job for the price. Yeah, and the pieces does go in a little container until you empty it out. So yeah, it did the job. I just don't like they didn't do this sides, but yeah, it did those. So as long as it's squared off, it works great, which is probably what it needed to be. So yeah, so as long as it's squared off, it does work. Now the next thing I want to show you, let me move these out the way, are these 3 amazing things that I was able to find. I bought one of them. I bought orange before in the previous video, and I was impressed with it because you get a good amount. Let me open one to show you. These were a little bit pricier because it was only $7. But look at the amount you get. Look at that. That's a lot. And this is just like a shimmer tool with glitter. And it's like a mesh. I got that one. Got the purple. I got the green, the lime green. And then I did get the orange. And then I also have the purple. Look at the purple. Look at that. This is nice. And then I did get it in the silver. Look at that. Love this. This is some nice stuff. Yeah. And like I said, you do get a lot of it. And it is a glitter mesh. So yeah. So that is my little haul that I want to share with you. This was some great deals. I did love all this stuff. Let me know if you bought any of these. And if you haven't, I recommend those because they're real good. But yeah. Well, that is my little haul I wanted to share with you. I will have all the links below if they are in stock so that you can go ahead and grab some. Don't forget to use my code if you're new to Temu or reinstated your Temu app. Leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item or what would you like me to make with one of these things. I know I am a little behind on making stuff, but sure, I do have stuff coming up, so keep posted. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.